Hello y'all, I just wanted to do a video on how to invest for dummies. So we need to grow our investments so we can retire and relax and have a good time. Alright, so as you know, when you're saving up for investments, it's not good when you're saving up cash, because the cash loses value due to something called inflation. They print more money and your cash loses value. That's why your grandpa paid a penny for an ice cream cone, but the penny back in your grandpa's time is probably worth $1 in today's money. Alright, so the only way to invest is to invest in the stock market. It's not the only way, but it's the most popular way. Many people say that you could lose all your money in the stock market ups and downs, but that's not true, because over the long haul, the stock market has actually been very consistent with some ups and downs along the way, but in the long term it grows about 6% when you calculate in inflation as well. So your money's really growing at 6% on average. This is the S&P 500. This is the most common way. This is the most common fund that measures the entire stock market. It's the top 500 companies. And these companies could be in New York or San Francisco and all over the United States. Alright, so when you want to invest, there's a few different brokerages you could choose from. These are just big investment companies, very popular. They cost about $5 when you actually trade. You have to pay them $5 to buy a stock or a fund or something like that. Doesn't matter which one you choose. Alright, so today we'll be going with TD Ameritrade. Okay, so in the top right corner, you go on the website, then you open an account, then you start the application. They'll ask you some legal questions. Okay, are you a US citizen? Alright, when it comes down to this, what type of account do you want to open? You click on individual. All the other accounts are special tax accounts where you could save money doing some weird tax stuff, but for now we will stick to the most normal account, which is the individual. Alright, you'll tell them your annual income and read some documents you can't understand. It's okay if you can't understand them. Millions of people do this every year, and you're just going to have to push through it and try your best to understand. It's okay if you don't understand everything, and then you click submit. You wait a couple days for your application to be approved, and unless there's something crazy happening, you will get approved in a couple days. Just to make sure that you're not someone they don't want to approve. And after those couple days, you can buy into the stock market. So maybe you've heard of the S&P 500 on the radio or the news. They always talk about it every day. Talk radio, you hear about it every 5 minutes. They say whether the S&P 500 has gone up or down. Now this is pretty much the top 500 companies in the stock market again. So there's many different funds you could choose from that follow the top 500 companies. The ticker, or the thing that you type in to buy the stock or the fund, is at the very end, SPY, IVV, VOO. These three-letter tickers, you just type that in and you'll be able to purchase any one of these funds, which are top 500 companies. This is the most common way, the cheapest way to invest in the entire stock market. So this is Investopedia. This is where we're going to do the stock simulation. So we're going to go up to simulator, stock simulator, and this is we just transferred $10,000 into our account, assuming that. And so we're going to go down to trade, and we're going to trade S&P 500, top 500 companies. So we're going to type in SPY. Alright, and there it is, S&P 500 ETF. Alright, so let's say we buy 5 of them. Alright, we're going to buy it at market. This is the price, $263.25. That's how much we're buying it at. The $25.73 that says a minus, that's how much it went up or down. Okay, so 263. So we're going to go down here, click on preview order. Okay, so 5 shares, $263 a share, $20 commission, comes out to $1,300 $1,336 invested. Submit order. So this will actually, the market opens up in 12 hours. So when the market opens up, we'll buy it. It will automatically buy at market right away. It's like automated, you know. It will just when the market opens, it will automatically just buy at the market price. All right, so we have SPY for S&P 500 ETF Trust. There we go. That's our order, and it will go through automatically. That's it.